So, in the past 6 years, we made a lot of decisions which reflected in our current situation. Damo kami may mo ang mga mistakes, but even though na kayo mo kami sa mga mistakes, pursue ako na magpati kay God kay para ara sa iyang way para maging successful sila. How did I live my life? We lived our lives full of hope and happiness. How did we live our lives? We live our lives full of hope and happiness, and every day we feel that every time na kami mababatsagan naman kung